Welcome to Brewfix, where coffee meets craftsmanship. Whether you're a home coffee enthusiast, a working barista, or a technician who wants espresso machines running at peak performance, this channel is your go-to guide. I document real repairs, real maintenance, and real-world fixes while sharing the professional principles behind great coffee. Today, I'm breaking down 5 practical, technician-approved tricks that consistently brew better coffee. No gimmicks, no trends, just fundamentals that work every single time. Trick 1. Control water before you touch the coffee. Most people obsess over beans and grinders while completely ignoring the most important ingredient in coffee: water. Bad water chemistry destroys extraction, scales boilers, clogs solenoids, and ruins flavor long before grind size even matters. Perfect coffee starts with balanced mineral content, enough hardness to extract sweetness, but not so much that it causes scale buildup in boilers and heat exchangers. From a technician's perspective, improper water shortens machine life and causes temperature instability, pressure issues, and inconsistent shots. Fix the water first, and suddenly everything downstream works better: flavor, crema, and machine reliability included. Trick 2. Clean where you can't see. Your espresso machine can look spotless on the outside and still be sabotaging your coffee internally. Coffee oils build up inside group heads, solenoids, shower screens, and brew paths, slowly muting flavors and creating bitterness. What most people don't realize is that dirty internals change flow dynamics, causing uneven extraction even when your grind and dose are perfect. Regular backflushing, internal descaling, and proper group maintenance restore flow consistency and bring clarity back into the cup. As a technician, I see machines magically improve after one deep internal clean, and the coffee tells the story immediately. Trick 3. Lock in brew temperature stability. Temperature surfing kills consistency. If your boiler cycles wildly or your group head isn't thermally stable, your shots will never taste the same twice. Perfect coffee depends on stable heat transfer from boiler to group to puck. That means proper warm-up time, correctly functioning thermostats or PID systems, clean heating elements, and no scale insulating internal components. Even small temperature swings can shift acidity, bitterness, and body. Once temperature stability is locked in, dialing in becomes faster, easier, and repeatable, exactly what professionals rely on. Trick 4. Fix pressure before adjusting grind. Many people chase grind size endlessly, not realizing the real problem is brew pressure inconsistency. Faulty OPVs, worn pump components, blocked valves, or misadjusted pressure systems silently ruin extraction. Too much pressure causes channeling and bitterness. Too little creates weak, hollow shots. A healthy espresso machine delivers smooth, predictable pressure ramps every time. From a repair standpoint, restoring pressure accuracy instantly improves shot quality, even without touching the grinder. Pressure is the backbone of espresso, and when it's right, everything else becomes easier. Trick 5. Respect preventative maintenance. The best coffee machines aren't just fixed, they're maintained. Preventative maintenance keeps seals fresh, valves responsive, boilers clean, and electronics reliable. Ignoring maintenance leads to breakdowns, inconsistent performance, and expensive repairs that could have been avoided. Professionals treat maintenance as part of brewing, not an afterthought. When machines are maintained on schedule, coffee tastes better, parts last longer, and downtime disappears. This single habit separates frustrated users from confident brewers who get great coffee every day. At Brewfix, everything I teach comes from real-world repairs, real cafes, and real machines. I've seen how small technical details completely transform coffee quality, and how understanding your machine saves time, money, and wasted shots. If you want deeper checklists, professional repair knowledge, and step-by-step systems used by working coffee technicians, Brewfix offers guides and resources designed to help you diagnose faster, fix smarter, and brew with confidence. This is where coffee meets craftsmanship and where great coffee becomes repeatable.